Kesa mapagastos pa kami ng malaki, dito na lang kami nag-celebrate ng birthday ng pamangkin ko. Naka 50% off pa nga yung entrance fee dahil birthday niya. Kailangan lang may dala kayo na birth certificate ng bata. Sobrang happy at na-enjoy ang birthday boy namin. Boxing! Okay, now. You don't like? Slowly lang. Slowly. Oh, see? Very. Yes. Oh, you get grocery. Oh, you. Yeah, you push the push cart na. Go there in the house. Push there. In the house. Come on, you push the push cart. No, go outside the door.
That's your house, dude. That's your playing.
See, you have a kitchen, oh. Kitchen. See, and then the living area. Say hi to Auntie. Hi. Okay. Dali. Come back to Auntie. You want to go there? Again? Okay.
Bye.
Bye. You're so strong. Come. Wow, you're so strong and brave. Superman is strong and brave. You're so brave.
Baby, because you're so brave. Because you're
Say hi, guys.
is it? The other one? There's three colors. There's three colors. Oh, what is it?